Okay, Tristan, Gavin, Colin, do you see that bird? That's a hummingbird. I'm still at Miss Patty and Mr. Larry's house.
Go ahead, get some water.
Oh, do you see that bird? He's eating. Do you see Miss Izzy in the background? That's a hummingbird. Do you hear him hum? Uh-oh, where did he go? I think he might come back. Nope, I guess not.
Izzy's back.
Izzy's back. Did you guys see Izzy? Is she pretty?
It's like living with Mrs. Rogers.
Okay, guys, go get your pajamas on. Go brush your teeth. You be good boy and girl. Be good boys for mom and dad. All right, Mimi will see you probably tomorrow. Love you.